Hello everyone, this is Piyush. Welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to discuss a problem, that is how to calculate sum of digits of a number. First of all, if you are new to my channel, I am Piyush. I make videos on programming, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Now let's begin. So first of all, understand the question. The question is calculate the sum of digits of a number. For example, if the number is 123, then you have to calculate the sum, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Now let's see what steps should be followed, or you can call it what algorithm should be followed to write the code. Step 1. Declare the required variable. We will see in the coding part, that is what variables we are required. Now after that, take the input of number and then start the loop. Inside the loop, what we have to do is we always have to extract the last digit and keep adding it with some variable so that the digits will be added, and then update the number by removing its last digit. At a time, the number will be equal to 0, and we will make our loop such that our loop will finish then, and after this print the sum. Now let's see an example to understand it more deeply. Let's take a number 123 and store it in a variable n. Now think about the step number 4, how you can extract the last digit, here in this case 3. How you can extract the last digit of the number. A very simple maths it is required here. I will store the last digit in a variable dig by doing this maths here. Dig is equal to n modulo 10. Now let's see how this step can be used to extract the last digit. You know how this modulo operator works. It will return the remainder when n will be divided by 10. In this case, 123 will be divided by 10, like this. The quotient will be 12, it's obvious, and 12 multiplied by 10 is 120, and the remainder is 3. That is the last digit. I hope it is making sense, or if you are confused, take a pen and paper and try it on your own, because if you try it on your own, you will learn more. After storing the last digit in the dig variable, we have to add it using this assignment operator, that is sum plus is equal to dig, which also means sum is equal to sum plus dig. We have to use this assignment operator here because we want our sum variable to be updated after every execution. This means before the beginning of the loop, we have to initialize the sum variable to 0, such that after first execution the sum will store 0 plus 3, that is 3, and after that the sum will store 2 plus 3, that is 5, and after that, that is the last execution, the sum will store 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now we have to update our number n by using the simple maths, that is n is equal to n divided by 10. As you can see, when 123 gets divided by 10, the quotient is 12. That is, after removing 3, the remaining part is 12. In this way, the number n gets updated after every execution, and when the n will be 1, then 1 divided by 10 will return 0, and the loop will stop, and then we have to print the sum. So this was the explanation of the algorithm. Now I will show you the coding part. So now let's move to the VS Code. I have uploaded the code file in the Telegram channel, so join the channel from the link in the description and download the file from there. So here you can see the code is very simple. Inside the main function, the first line is the declare variable. I have already explained these variables, and after that take input of the number, and after that the loop condition, that is n is not equal to 0. I have already explained the condition, and then dig is equal to n modulo 10 to extract the last digit. In the next line, the updation of sum variable, then the updation of n, and when the loop stops, just print the value of sum. Now let's compile the code and run it and see the output. Entering the command to compile, that is make code. Code is up to date. This means the code is already compiled. Now run the code /code, enter number 1234, and the output is 10. This means the code works fine. So this is it for this video. If you face any issues, tell me in the comment section. I will reply it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your subscription matters a lot, guys. Keep in mind your subscription and my inspiration. So see you in the next video.